No. What? Let me change up my hair there. So I'm looking through my boxes and I have another Salon Perfect box. What? They sent me 2 boxes in 1 month. What? Wow. Okay. Yeah, another nail video. Okay, interesting. Or probably like, I'm fed up with your nail videos. That, but ooh, I love this thing. It looks interesting. Okay, it looks like artsy. Oh, I have a paint right here in my left rib. What's going on? I don't get paints there. What's going on? Okay, let me ignore the paint and open this box. Okay. Wow. Okay, so hashtag is peeping. So I'm guessing whenever I mentioned a follower friend said she received a nail polish box, it was not the Willy Wonka thing. I think she meant this one. So I'm pretty excited. So let's see. Okay. Ooh. It's so exciting. So this is, ooh, I love it looks like a winter holiday theme. I love her whole look, the vibe. Okay, it's pretty cool. Okay, so ooh, no rinse makeup melt brush cleaner. Did they send me a brush cleaner? If so, I'm gonna scream. So exciting. Like, what? They mainly send lashes and no products, so that's why I'm like, this is a new product. I didn't know they had something like this before. What? Okay, let me look for it. Yes, they did send it to me. Wow. Okay, so okay, this is a brush cleansing starter kit. Let's see, let me read it first. Well, it's a fast dry game-changing brush cleaner. Deep cleans with no residue, no rinsing, and no water needed. Okay, that's weird. Interesting. So this is a pretty cool product device design. So this cleaner, you don't need water. I thought you needed water to wash your brushes even though you use cleaner. Like, what? No rinsing. So I'm guessing whenever you wash your brush with this cleaner, you don't need to rinse it off. You just leave it like that. Is that what they mean? Like, what? It's interesting. So it also comes with a microfiber towel. It's this purple one here. I'm so excited. Okay, and it also comes with, what is this? Makeup cleaner, but it's not liquid. I don't know. Pour it into the spill-proof aluminum tin. Oh, I'm guessing this is the aluminum tin. You put this cleanser inside here and then you swirl your brush in it and then you dry it with this towel, I think. This is pretty cool. It's so exciting. I've never seen a thing like this. Like, I know brush cleaners exist, a microfiber towel, but not with this thing. I thought it was like a cleansing balm for brushes. I was like, ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let me see. Okay, ooh, it's stuck. Okay, it's super tiny, by the way. So let me open it up and see. Okay, it comes with it. Let me see. Oh, it looks purple. It's scented. It smells like a cleaner. It smells like a nostalgic scent. As a kid, like, everything smells so nostalgic to me. smells good. It doesn't smell bad. It's pretty strong, but it's purple, which is pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be clear. So I love the color, by the way. It's a pretty pastel color, and it comes with this tin. It's a aluminum tint, so it's pretty tiny. So you apply your brush cleaner here, and then you swirl your brush and clean it like this. The only thing is that it's very tiny, so you can only use your small brushes for this little mini tin. And then I'm guessing after you swirl and clean your brush with it, you can go in with this micro fiber towel. I just love it. It's purpley, it's pretty, and that's the logo. And it's so soft. I feel like you can even use it to remove your makeup. Wow, I love it. So wow, yay, I'm so excited. I need a lot of makeup brush remover towels, anything, but I now normally just wash my brushes with regular dish soap, or that's basically it. And then let it air dry. I don't use towels like these. I wash all my brushes with my hand. I don't know why it doesn't look really rough, but all my lifetime, so it's pretty cool to get these things, because it makes it more easier and more funner, and it's just better. Okay, so this is getting stuck because of the freaking glue. So, okay, this is the thing that I'm most excited about. Like, not even if as a makeup artist, you don't even have to be a makeup artist, but like, we wear a lot of makeup. Beauty lovers, like, we need like anything that helps the process when it comes to cleaning and making it easier and faster. Like, we're gonna love it. Okay, now I'm getting so distracted. I have a lot of more things, but I'm just so still excited with that. Like, what? Okay, so supposedly it's a vegan cruelty free product, by the way. Like, it has a rose scented scent. Yeah, that's what it smells like, rose scented spray. Yeah, it smells good. Okay, so interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna skip that and show you the other things that they sent me. So this is the light and fluffy wispy lashes. It's a pretty natural. I'm loving their natural lashes now. It's in the style 694. That's the number. This is the back. This is how you apply your lashes. You already know. Okay, so wow, my favorite type of lashes now, these. Okay, so the next style, is more intense. So extension seeker 3D curl. Okay, okay, I love how it looks. Like, it's so pretty. Wow, so that's the style name number 662. That reminded me of Lilo and Stitch. Anyways, wow, right? Okay, so the next pair of lashes they sent me is I love the butterfly. The butterfly is so cute. So this is the Wing Demi Collection. This is the style name number, and it's just so natural. It's so wispy, it's so pretty. Like, what? Okay, yay. Now, so this is the Mirror Effect Collection. So it's kind of, you see, like, shine. I don't know, like the mirror effect. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like a whitish, nudish shade. It's pretty cool, right? It looks pretty. Not a little bit. The brush cleaner. What? They sent me I think this is a bigger version of the little tiny bottle. Yeah, You see, it is purple. It's purple. Wow. So yeah, soft fluorescent, and it softens, conditions your brushes, and restores the shape of them. Okay, interesting. So it has like a lot of great qualities. I'm so eager to try this. Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna start doing my makeup more now just so I can use this. The next thing, okay, that's not. Oh, mira, the nose, I love it. The color and the shape and the brand and everything. This is my favorite nail set by far. Like, what? You see how cute it is? So you see how cute it is? It's clouds and ombre in the color, the baby blue. Like, right. No explanation needed. It's just the best. It's just. I'm in love, okay? I'm in love. Okay, one, I feel like I already received this design before. Like the beginning boxes, but I don't know. Maybe it's similar, but not the same. It's like white with gold. What? I don't know. Pretty cool. Okay. Ooh, yeah. This one is a silvery type. Okay, I like this silver tops and nudes. It's pretty. So this one's ultra reflective glitter, so whenever you take the camera with flash, and I feel like maybe it's kind of like a cool glow in the dark kind of moment, a little. I feel like it might look like that whenever you take a video with under flash. Look, try it with under flash. That's with your phone, with your back flash camera, record your nails. It's gonna look super cool. Okay, it's gonna give like that flash, like super glittery, bright effect. Like, not like this, you can barely tell something going on, but with the flash, it's gonna look like the real moment. So I haven't tried it, so I'm gonna need to try it. The last things they sent me are nail polish. So let's see. This is okay. Ooh, what? It's red, a dark red, but a shimmer dark red. Like, what? It's so pretty. It's a pretty Christmassy shade. I love it. Okay, so this is He's With Me. Oh, she sounds a little too intense here, like a toxica. All right, she's intense. All right. Oh yeah, she's a baddie. If she wears this, okay. I just love the color. Yeah, because this looks more of a Christmas color than this. This one's a little too bright. I mean, I still love both for the holidays, but this one's more for Christmas. Okay. Oh, another shimmery one. This is, let's see. Ooh, it's a pinkish shimmer. It's very, 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 very shimmery. Like, wow, it's so pretty. Glittery, not shimmery. Like, okay, so this is in the shade Shimmer Down, like simmer down, but shimmer down. Yeah, because I noticed, like, wow, it's so shimmery. Shimmer down. Because you're that shimmery. Like, this literally, it describes this well. Like, I just have it. It's kind of like a very light pink. It's just, it doesn't really look much pink, but it does. It's a pretty holiday pink color. Okay, the last nail polish. Silver, yes. I love silver nails, the metallic nails. Man, I got excited. I thought it was gonna be a chrome silver nail polish. No, it's just a plumping gel top coat. I don't know what's the difference of regular nail polish top coat and plumping top coat. I don't know, but it just looks so cool. Like, I wish they had a nail polish of this. I mean, this is my favorite nail polish. It's super silver metallic. I thought it was gonna be like that, but no, it's just clear, I'm pretty sure. Let me open the... Yeah, it's clear. Oop. Oops, I made a mess. Look, it's dripping. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini unboxing. Okay, so this is Dream Big, Imagine It and Create It theme. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so yay, thank you so much. Salon Perfect. I receive a lot of nail products each month. A lot. I don't need this many nail products. I know. It's just every month they send me a box, okay? I can't help it. Like, I'm in their PR. I do wear most of the nail polish, so not only for my videos, but whenever I head out or for my pictures, I try to use most of the nail products as possible. I don't use all. It's hard to use all of them and keep up, but I try to use all. I try not to make these go to waste, okay, is what I'm saying, even though they send a lot, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. The favorite thing is the cleaner, the brush cleaner set. I just want to use it right now already. Yeah, bye. Let it go. Take care.